Assalamualaikum. Multan Public School and College, Multan. Class O Level 10. Subject Computer. Teacher's name Muhammad Qasim Qureshi. Assignments and working. Values are assigned to an item variable using the like operator. Arrow. The variable on the left of the arrow is assigned the value of the expression on the right. The expression on the right can be a single value or several values combined with mathematical operators. Mathematical operators: plus, add, minus, subtract, asterisk, multiply, backslash, divide, exponent, raise the power, and brackets for groups. Examples of assignment statements: cost, arrow 10. Cost has the value of 10. Price is equal to cost multiplied by 2. Price has the value of 20. Tax, arrow, price multiplied by 0.12. Tax has the value 2.4. Selling price is equal to price plus tax. Selling price has the value of 22.4. Gender means male. Chosen, false. This is the examples of a assignment statement to you use. Now do the activity. What values will be the following variables have after the assignment have been completed? Page number 135. Now you move on the conditional statements. When different actions are performed by an algorithm according to the values of the variable, conditional statements can be used to decide which action should be taken. There are two types of conditional statements. With an example, number 1, a condition that can be true or false. If then else if. For example, if age is less than 18, then print child, else print adult, and if. A choice between several different values, case of otherwise and case. For example, case grade of A quotation marks print excellent, B within quotations print good, C within quotations print average, otherwise print improvement is needed, and case. If then else and if. For an if condition, the then path is followed if the condition is true, the else path is followed if the condition is false. There may be or may not be the else path. The end of the statement is shown by the end if. A condition can be set up in different ways. Using a Boolean variable that can be the true or false. If found, then print your search was successful, else print your search was unsuccessful, and if. Using comparison operator, comparison are made from left to right. For example, A is greater than B means A is greater than B. Comparison can be simple or more complicated. For example, if height is greater than 1, or weight is greater than 20, or age is greater than 5, and age is less than 70, then print you can write. Else print too small, too young, too old, and if. Then now the operator is greater than symbol, less than symbol, equal to symbol, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal, group, both, and operator, or operator, either, not. The algorithm below if the percentage mark is valid. If is a keyword. If statement is a decision making statement. It is the simplest form of the selection structure. It is used to execute or skip a statement or a set of statements by checking a condition. The condition is given as a relational expression. If the condition is true, the statement or set of statement after if statement is executed. If the condition is false, the statement or a set of statement after if the statement is not executed. General syntax. The above syntax is the single statement. If statement is simplest selection structure. A user may want to execute one statement or a set of statements if the condition is true. Execute other statements or a set of statements if the condition is false. For example, a program should display pass if the student gets 40 or more marks. It should display fail if the student gets less than 40 marks. Simple if statement cannot be used to handle this situation. So then if else statement is another type of if statement. It executes one block of statement when the condition is true. When it is false, if any situation on one block is executed and the other is skipped. If else statement. Both blocks of statement can never be executed. Both block of statement can never be skipped. Now you move on to case of otherwise. Case statement. Case and otherwise are case statement. For a case condition. For a case condition, the value of the variables decide the part to be taken. Several values are usually specified. Otherwise is the part taken for all over values. The end of the statement is shown by the end case. The algorithm below specifies what happened if the values of the choice 1, 2, 3 are 4. Case choice of number 1 answer is num1 plus num2. Answer num1 minus num2 answer. Answer num multiplied by num2. 4 answer is num divided by num2. Otherwise, you enter a valid choice case. You do also activity 10.3. Use a case statement to display the day of the week if the variable day has the value of 1 to 10 and error message otherwise. The statement is another conditional structure. It is a good alternative of nested if-else. It can be used easily when there are many choices available and only one choice should be executed. Nested if becomes very difficult in such situations. Case statement compares the results of a single expression with multiple cases. Expression can be any valid expression that resolves the integer or character value. The expression is evaluated at the time of case statement and its result is compared with the different cases. Each case label represents one choice. If the result matches with any one case, the corresponding block of statement is executed. Any number of cases can be used in one case statement. The default label appears at the end of the all case labels. It is executed only when the result of the expression does not match with any other case label. Its use is optional. The position of the default label is not fixed. It may be placed before the first case statement and after the last statement. The break statement in each case label is used. Exit from case statement, case body. It is used at the end of the each case label statements. Now you move on the loop structures and its working. When some actions performed as a part of algorithm need repeating, this is called alteration. Loop structures are used to perform the alterations. There are three different types of loop structures. Operator, a set of number of repetitions for to next. A repetition where the number of repeats is not known, that is completed at once, is called repeat until. A repetitions when the number of repeats is not known, that never be completed, do while and while statement. These are three loop structures available. One by one will be discussed. First of all is for to next loop. A variable is set up with a start value and an end value and then incremented in the steps of 1 until the end value is reached and the alteration finished. The variable can be used within the loop so long as its value is not changed. This type of loop is very useful for reading values into lists. For counter 1 to 10, print enter name of the student Input student name counter next. Counter starts at 1 and finishes at 1. Now repeat until. This loop structure is used when the number of repetition alteration is not known and the actions are repeated until is given condition becomes true. The actions in this loop are always completed at least once. Total is equal to 0, mark is equal to 0, repeat. Total is equal to total plus mark, print, enter the value for mark -1 to finish, input mark until mark is equal to 1. Now last, while do and do loop. This loop structure is used when the number of repetition alteration is not known and the actions are only repeated while a given condition is true. If the while condition is untrue when the loop is first entered, then the action in the loop are never performed. Total is equal to 0, print, enter value for mark -1 to finish, input mark. While mark is not equal to -1, do. Total is equal to total plus mark, print, enter the value for mark -1 to finish, input mark and end while.